Hey everyone, welcome back to The Healthy Human. Today's video is going to be all about what I eat in a day. So I'm pretty much working at home for most days of the week. So today's food is going to be what I would eat at home. I'm a big advocate for meal prep, so a lot of these meals or ingredients I've made, which I made yesterday, so my Sunday is my meal prep day. So pretty much all the veggies and the meats I've pre-made, but everything else I make on the spot. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to take you along. First things first, in the morning I make sure I get a lot of water in. I don't eat straight away, it's a few more hours yet, so I'm going to have some water now. And I just received these from Macro Mike, so I'm going to give this a try. So this is like a little nutrient pouch that you kind of take with some water. So the verdict is pretty nice. Definitely tastes like wild grape. It's supposed to give me brain boosting abilities, I think, brain nourishing. So hopefully that can make me a bit more productive today. But yeah, that is also, it's just an alternative way to get some water in. Usually I just have normal water, but yeah, I mean, I had these sachets, and sometimes it's good to have something other than plain water, something a bit more exciting. So basically I'm just going to drink this water while I do my morning routine. So yoga, my journaling, writing my to-do list, that kind of thing, and then I also work for a couple hours in the morning before I do my workout. So this is basically just going to hydrate me until then. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my workout soon, so I've just got some pre-workout here in my shaker, and I'm also going to have a bit of a snack. I'm going to have a little cookie because I'm probably not going to be eating till like 11 o'clock by the time I do my big workout. I do a bit of cardio afterwards, have a shower, actually make my breakfast, so it'll be like 11 o'clock. So I'm going to have a snack now and my pre-workout and do a big leg sesh. So I'm just having my post-workout meal now. So my breakfast, first meal of the day. So I've got a piece of wholemeal bread, a fried egg, and some steamed broccoli, some roast pumpkin, and some turkey mince, which I had pre-made yesterday. Really good option for post-workout because there's lots of protein to help rebuild the muscles that I really worked hard during that leg workout today, and also lots of carbs to give me back some energy. So I'm just having lunch. I'm having a bit of a stir fry. So I have steamed broccoli, which I made yesterday. I just fried off some red capsicum. I have some jasmine rice there, chicken thigh, and I put some soy sauce over the top. Usually I would have brown rice, but we already had white rice in the fridge and as leftovers, so I thought I would just use that. But yeah, really good healthy meal, lots of protein too, and yeah, I think it'll fill me up for a little while. So I'm having my afternoon snack. It's about 4 o'clock, and in here is frozen mixed berries, frozen banana, almond milk, and vanilla protein powder. Really good afternoon snack, and I find it usually keeps me going until dinner time. Okay, so for dinner I ate with my family, so we had a roast pork. I just adjusted my portion sizings. So I had roast pork, some veg, and I had some sweet potato, which I roasted yesterday, and some applesauce, which I made so it's just pure apples that are stewed. There's no extra sugar or anything, and also a sneaky bit of crackling because yum. Now I'm having dessert, so these Halo Top little ice creams. They're small, delicious, just what I need when I'm not starving after dinner. I also drank a lot of water today, so I think 3.5 litres. But yeah, overall, this is kind of what I eat in a day, because I'm on a fat loss phase at the moment, so this is the kind of stuff that I eat, although it's pretty similar to what I would normally eat, even if I wasn't in a fat loss phase. I would just have bigger portions. But yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoyed. I do eat differently most days, so I'll probably do a few more of these every so often. But yeah, that's just how I kind of eat, and I hope you got any ideas or anything like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.